Hello all. In this video, I'm going to show what is Power Automate and overview of Power Automate flows. Let's start with Power Automate. Power Automate is a service that you can use to automate repetitive tasks to bring efficiencies to any organizations. And we do have three different types of flows, that is cloud flows, desktop flows, and business process flows. Let's start with cloud flows. There are again three different types of cloud flows. Automated cloud flow. Automated cloud flow is the one which triggers automatically whenever the email arrives or whenever somebody uploads a file into the SharePoint folder or whenever somebody adds a record into a Dataverse table. So it is called automated cloud flow. Instant cloud flow. Instant cloud flow is the one which starts by clicking the manual button or whenever somebody runs a bot manually, that is called instant cloud flow. And the third one is a scheduled cloud flow. Scheduled cloud flow is the one if you would like to run the bot based on the frequency. For example, we do have a process that has to be executed daily or that has to be executed based on the frequency period. Then we create the scheduled flows. Page of Power Automate. I just opened make.powerautomate.com and switch to one of my environment. In the left side, there are a couple of options like home, create, templates, learn, my flows, and all the other options. Let me go to one by one option and what it is. Create will create the flow from the blank flow, and we can also create the automated flow, scheduled flow, and instant flows. If we click on create, and templates are the ones which are already available in the Power Automate where we can reuse it and customize it. Learn will open the learning documents. And coming to my flows, will show up all the cloud flows, desktop flows, and flows that are shared with me. In the top corner, there's a new flow option where we can start a flow from the template. We can also create the flow from a blank. For example, automated flow, instant flow, and scheduled flow. And import. Import is used to import the solution or import the flow which is already created by someone else. Now I'm opening one of the flow. It has redirected to the details page. In the top ribbon bar, there are a couple of options like edit. It will go to the edit mode of this flow and share. We can share this flow and it will copy the link URL and we can share this flow to someone else in our organization. And we can also save a copy of this flow using the save as button. And there is a delete button to delete this flow. And send a copy. Send a copy will change the ownership and it will send a copy to the person who is in our organization, and it will change the owner rights as well. And export, you can export the flow, and we can also see the analytics of the past run history, and we can turn off the flow. Flow checker is the one where we can monitor our errors and warning messages while it is in a editable mode. And these are the basic details. For example, flow name and owner, created date and modified date. What is the status of this flow, whether it's turned on or turned off, whether it's automated flow or instant flow, the type of flow we can see here. And in the down panel, we can see all the run history, like 28 days run history we can monitor. And here in the right side, we can see the connections. For example, in this flow, I'm using Dataverse, where using which account we have connected here, and we can edit the connections. We can change the ownership and assign the ownership to somebody else. And these are all the basic details we can see from the details page. If I open run history, it will show up how many actions are executed and how many actions are failed. Currently it executed successful, so I'm able to see the inputs and outputs for the current run. And we can resubmit from here, and we can also edit from here. Now I'm opening this flow in the editable format. Now it is open in the editable format. We can edit the name of the flow from here, and we can undo and redo. You can add the comments if you want, and we can also save this flow. This flow checker will show all the errors and warning messages inside the flow. And test will test the flow manually or automatically. If this flow needs input parameters, then it will ask the input parameters here. We will see the remaining details in the later videos. That's all for this video. Thank you.